It's gotten pretty quiet in the crypto market over the last 12 to 18 hours or so, and it's not going to stay that way for long. The market does not like boring, it does not like stagnant, and we're on the verge of being pushed one way or the other in terms of price. And it's really just a question of what we get. We're going to talk about just a few things going on here in this video. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. First of all, decent close for yesterday for ADA. We did in fact finish the day with a 1.6% daily candle. That's a great spot to be in. You know, we dealt with obviously massive bouts of volatility as the day went on. We had the excitement surrounding the CPI report and the beat there. That was great. That pushed price to the upside. Then we got the sell-off from game playing, profit taking. We also had the news that Canada hit the US with $21 billion in retaliatory tariffs as this global trade war is heating up, right? And so we just kind of gotten pushed all over the place. And now you guys can take a look. It's been pretty much sideways over the course of these last, again, 18 hours or so. This is the case throughout the space. Nothing too much one way or the other. And in fact, what we've seen across the crypto market is a significant drop in terms of volume, down to about $96 billion. So we normally don't fall below $100 billion in daily trading volume during the week. So we're kind of in a strange spot right now. We have escaped this extreme fear range, which is a great sign. We jumped from a 19 to a 21, so the market's calming down just a little bit. And it's really a question of, what are we going to get today? Are we going to get some more negative news, or are we going to get some positive news? I will say we're probably going to get some positive news as the day goes on. It seems like that's been a very consistent theme, is positive, 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 trying to take back over the market. But which direction does the market want to move? That's the real question. I have to say that, you know, looking at ADA right now, we do have a huge presence of long interest right down below these ranges. All right. And this isn't to scare anyone or spread FUD or anything like that. Just understand that if we do get a little bit of a nudge in the wrong direction, down to about 70.5 cents or so, there's the possibility that ADA could drop down to about 68. Okay, this is very thick, long leverage, guys. Now, that being said, there are shorts above here trying to push ADA price down, betting that ADA is going to drop. They're a little bit less confident than they have been, which is why it's thinner, but that also lessens the likelihood of a short squeeze to the upside. Still possible. There's still a lot of short interest right above these ranges, but just know that right now, higher presence of longs. Okay, now that being said, BTC still getting very much compressed in its range. The good news is that it is within trend, which I'll show you guys in just a moment here. But you guys can see, again, big long interest filling in below here. Again, all this positive news that we're getting is creating a lot of confidence for the bulls in the market, a lot of confidence for the long positions. All right. You guys can see up here, right? Still big presence of short interest. There is some more that filled in. So it's a question of which push in which direction do we get. Now, BTC is within trend. Great spot to be. Did a good job fighting back yesterday, closing on a 0.9% daily candle. Right now it's down with, you know, most everything else. We're just kind of seeing a mixed day across the board. But what I will say is very nice is that we did in fact see the total market cap of crypto climb back within trend. We're back in that retest box here. And this would be a good spot for the market to kind of dictate its direction and start to get back above here, try to again tackle this 3.18 trillion range in terms of the total market cap of crypto. Again, I'm not saying that's going to happen today. You guys can see that that's taken a little while to get there, but we still have a very good setup across the space. DXY still very much on the drop here. We take a look at USDT dominance, again looking like it wants to drop off. Something that's still just been a little bit sticky though is BTC dominance. And again, a lot of what this has to do with here is just uncertainty. Okay. When there is negativity in the market, people are less likely to flow into altcoins. They are less likely to flow back into some of these more speculative assets, lower market cap assets, right? I'm not saying that ADA is a lower market cap asset, but you know, when you compare it to a $1.6 trillion market cap like BTC, that you get the point, right? So yes, it's very quiet. Not a whole lot going on. I wouldn't expect it to stay that way as the day goes on. And it's a question of what are we going to get? So I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Where do you think we are headed for the day? Do you think we're going to see some positive movement in price, negative movement in price? I still think we have the potential to close this week on a green note, but we'll see what comes. So have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.